Partnered by Times Influence.
Recognizing the highest standards of excellence in oral healthcare, the National Oral Healthcare Sushruta Awards were recently held in New Delhi to reward those who've done outstanding work in the field of oral healthcare. The gala event was organized by Indian Dental Association, with the vision that these awards will be an inspiration for many professionals in the oral healthcare space. The event commenced with a welcome address by Dr. Vishwas Puranik, President IDA.
Namaskar. I welcome you to this Sushruta Award function. Indian Dental Association is the largest body of a dental association. We have around 75,000 members of this association. We have state branches at 29 states. We have 6 union territory branches and 1 defense branch. In spite of having such a type of infrastructure in Indian Dental Association, the oral hygiene in India is poor. The oral hygiene at the villages or in the rural area where most of the people have no teeth, they lose teeth at the age of 35, 40 because of they are not aware. There is no care. What we need is a national policy of the oral health hygiene. We have to have a national health oral policy, then only we can reach up to the district level, taluka level, or at the corner places of the India. Otherwise, we feel it is difficult even if we are trying our level best. This Sushruta Award is started because there are so many institutes. Last year there are around 15, 14 people. This year also there are awardees, around 14 awardees are there. These people are working hard to give something for the oral hygiene, to have check to the oral hygiene, to promote the oral hygiene. And this is a recognition from the Indian Dental Association to all these awardees. At the same time, it is going to be the inspiration for others to do some work on the oral cavity, on the oral hygiene. I welcome you once again to this Sushruta Award, and with these few words, I take your leave. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the journey which began about 70 years is widespread now with 75,000 plus active members being a part of it. We've been a part of wonderful activities happening around. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is very well monitored and also balanced by the chairman of IDA Foundation. Can I request you to give a roaring round of applause to Dr. M.C. Mohan. Let's give a big round of applause to Dr. M.C. Mohan.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my pleasure as chairman of IDA Foundation to welcome you all to the ceremonial function this evening to honor a few of those who have done outstanding work in the field of delivery of oral healthcare services. Outstanding work, projects and initiatives that result in delivery of excellence in oral healthcare services and innovation are embraced by Sushruta Awards. I might add here that these awards cover various fields such as community work, awareness creation, professional excellence, dental innovation, dental research, etc., that would pave the way for ushering in a new dawn in oral health and hygiene. I welcome all our honored guests whose exemplary work has equally qualified them to be the proud recipient of these awards. Finally, I welcome all my colleagues and friends, media people, and those who have made it possible to grace this occasion. Thank you very much.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next prominent personality joining us on to the podium is Honorable Secretary General IDA. Please put your hands together for Dr. Ashok Doble.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. IDA will be entering into the 75 years by 2022. Next 5 years, we have planned several activities, public activities, as our already President of IDA mentioned about oral health awareness is very, very low in our country. Only less than 50% of the population, they use the toothbrush and toothpaste. Under the banner of Swachh Mukh Abhiyan, we are planning several activities to see that by 2022, how this 50% goes to 75% or 80% of the population, the oral health awareness will take place among us up to that level. And oral cancer, around 40% of the body's cancer, the oral cancer. And every 1 hour, 14 deaths because of the oral cancer. 80% of the oral cancer is in India as in the compared to the world. And with this initiative, how this percentage can be lowered down. And already in our country, the history shows the 3 campaigns which were carried out in the past: Green Revolution, White Revolution, and Pulse Eradication. On the similar line, if all the dentists and the public participate in such along with the government, definitely we are confident we'll be able to bring it down, the percentage of the oral cancer down, and to increase oral health awareness so that around 80% of the population, 90% of the population, they will be using toothbrush and toothpaste. Such massive campaign we are planning in the near future to celebrate our 75 years of the IDA by 2022. Thank you very much.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, there's a message for all of us present out here by Shri Suresh Prabhu sir, Minister of Commerce and Industry.
Let me congratulate all the award winners which have been chosen through a very rigorous process and who have been identified as one of the best performers of the skills to improve the dental and the oral health of people in India. Indian Dental Association has been doing a great job. All the dentists have been providing their expertise to ensure that oral health of people improves, and through that the overall health of the person also gives him the happiness that he needs to enjoy in life. We have seen that unfortunately the oral health is not as well realized as an important component of overall health and wellness being of a person. And therefore I congratulate all the dentists in the country for providing this important component of a healthy and happy life to people. I thank all of you. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'll request you to put your hands together, give a huge round of applause for Sri Jayant Sinha ji for being present amongst us. And thank you so much for gracing this occasion, sir. What a pleasure having you here.
Ladies and gentlemen, I first want to congratulate the Indian Dental Association for the extraordinary work that you've been doing in India, and of course through the research that you do and the work that you do in India, for all your contributions to the field of dentistry in India and of course for the rest of the world as well. In the dental profession, just like in so many other professions in India, we have a very long way to go, a very long way to go. And that is both for us a challenge because there is so much to be done, but it is also an opportunity because we can bring so much to our people, give them so many benefits, so many services, and really improve the quality of their life. So it is both a glass half empty and a glass half full. And I think for all of you, despite all the great work that you've already done, I think the best is yet to come. The best is certainly yet to come. And here I will say that as we, and you were telling me that आप एक बहुत बड़ा अभियान करने वाले हैं स्वच्छता पे और सब लोगों को आप बताना चाहते हैं, but I would say that even as you think about doing that, you have to innovate. If we want good oral health, we have to come up with solutions that work well for India. And I always say that the India design point is a very different design point from the design point of the West. Because the way we do dentistry in the West and maybe in Delhi is at a price point that most Indians cannot afford. And so I always say the real India design point, what you have to do in India is to provide 80% of that functionality. 80% of that functionality, ladies and gentlemen, at 20% of the price. If we want to really get the rest of the 50% to use dental products, we have to be able to reduce the price and make it accessible to them. We have to have affordable dentistry. And that is the kind of innovation that is required if we have to get to everybody in India. I think it would be wonderful and a great service to the nation if you can do that. And once again, with all my best wishes, I want to congratulate you for all the wonderful work that you do. Jai Hind.
This year, the National Oral Healthcare Sushruta Awards covered various categories such as awareness creation, community work, dental innovation, dental research, professional excellence, amongst many others. The gala ceremony was all about outstanding projects and initiatives that have resulted in delivery of excellence in oral healthcare.
Ladies and gentlemen, the third edition of Sushruta Awards. The first category of award is Sushruta Lifetime Achievement Award for significant contribution to dentistry by an NRI. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Dr. Shankar Iyer. Let's give a big round of applause to Dr. Shankar Iyer.
This award is not just for me, but I want to dedicate it to all the teachers around here who have been responsible for the growth of dentistry and the kind of education that we've been able to receive. Thank you very much. Really a proud honor. Thank you, Dr. Roble. Thank you, Dr. Pran.
The next award, the Sushruta Award for Outstanding Contribution by a defense personnel in creating oral healthcare awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, the award goes out to Lieutenant General Paramjeet Singh.
Thank you so much for this award. I dedicate this award to the Armed Forces Dental Services. Thank you very much.
Now moving on to the next award is for the outstanding contribution by an individual towards tobacco control. And the award goes out to Dr. Prakash C. Gupta, the director of HELIS.
I'm really quite proud to say it is the dental professionals that carry the torch of tobacco control and oral cancer prevention in healthcare. Thank you all very much.
Now moving on to the next award for the outstanding contribution by an individual in promoting oral cancer awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, the awardee is none but Dr. Ravi Kannan. Let's give a big round of applause to Dr. Ravi Kannan.
Thank the IDA for this recognition. We work in a remote corner of India, and most of our patients are daily wage earners, and cancer treatment takes forever. And many of them, despite all the support, will tend to default. And therefore, I think if all of us join hands together, we can make it a fact that these cancers can be prevented. These cancers can be detected early and treated successfully. Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next award is Sushruta Award for Outstanding Contribution by an institution in providing Oral Healthcare Services. And that award goes out to Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Sciences under the leadership of Dr. Mahesh Verma.
Good evening, friends. I am really very emotional and very excited to receive this distinguished award recognition. I dedicate this award to all my staff. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Moving ahead, the next category, the award for outstanding contribution by an NGO in creating oral healthcare awareness. Please put your hands together for Cancer Patients Aid Association. The next award is Sushruta Lifetime Achievement Award for significant contribution in Indian dentistry. And the award goes out to the gentle giant, Dr. Keki Mistry. Let's give a big round of applause to Dr. Keki Mistry.
I will share a paragraph with you. I'm remembering what WHO said many years ago. To move forward with vision, it is wise to glance backward with perception. Not to blame ourselves or our predecessors, but to learn lessons from history as a springboard for the future. So that's beautiful. We have learned lessons from history as a springboard for the future. Thank you. Thank you again.
Now the next category of Sushruta Award is for the Best Dental Manufacturer to Dental Products of India. Ladies and gentlemen, this award goes out to Dr. Sushruta of Dental Products of India. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next award for the outstanding contribution by an institution in providing oral health care services. That is A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Dental Sciences under the leadership of Dr. U.S. Krishna Nayak. Let's give a big round of applause to A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Dental Sciences. Moving on to the next award is our second Sushruta Lifetime Achievement Award for significant contribution in Indian dentistry. And this goes out to Dr. Pradeep Jaina. Let's go a big round of applause to Dr. Pradeep Jaina. This is something very interesting. Sushruta Award for Empowered Women Dentist of the Year, and that's none but Dr. Neelima Malik. Let's give a big round of applause to Dr. Neelima Anil Malik. Moving on to the next category of award. Sushruta Award for Outstanding Contribution by an Individual in Providing Community Oral Healthcare Services. And the award goes out to Dr. Mahesh Nath. Moving on to the next award is our third Sushruta Lifetime Achievement Award for significant contribution in Indian dentistry. And the award goes out to Professor Hari Prakash. The next award is Sushruta Award for Outstanding Contribution by an Individual in Providing Oral Healthcare Services in International Dentistry. Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about Dr. Tinchun Wong. Let's give a huge round of applause.
I'm extremely honored to be nominated by the eminent jury of the Indian Dental Association to receive this award. Dental treatment is the fourth most expensive medical treatment in the world, and that we must confront not only the burden of oral diseases, but confront the economic impact. I appeal to all of you to join hands, not only in your country, but globally. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, last but one award is Sushruta Award for Outstanding Contribution by an Individual for Rendering Community General and Oral Healthcare Services. That is Dr. V.K. Shah. We kept the special to the end. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Myung Chang, an Indian actor, television host, and a singer of Chinese descent. Chang is a third-generation Indian Chinese with roots in China's Hubei province.
Thank you so much, everybody, all the dignitaries on stage. This is most special because this is happening in my original fraternity. That is the dental fraternity. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Partnered by Times Influence.